Good morning. Welcome back. It's Saturday, March the 8th, and you know what time it is. It's breakfast time. So come with me as I cook Saturday breakfast. And do you comment below if you cook your eggs first or do you cook your eggs last? So we're going to start with the eggs. I cook my eggs first and then I move on to the next one. So make sure that you subscribe, comment below, watch the video all the way through. It's Saturday and it's breakfast time. Drop it in the chat if you cook your eggs first or do you cook your eggs last. Welcome to Eats and Travels. It's breakfast time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Love you guys. Again, remember, do you cook your eggs first or do you cook your eggs last? Come along with us. Here we go. I do the eggs first. So you can see right there is the eggs. Here's the eggs. Let me get a spoon. I'm going to turn this down. So here are the eggs. Right here is Saturday. And we I do my eggs first. And I'm going to start. These are the eggs right here. I do my eggs first. So again, here are the eggs. Do you like your eggs scrambled or you easy over eggs? Again, these are the eggs. Do my eggs first. Alright, so we're making breakfast. It's Saturday morning breakfast. And this is the best pancake mix ever. Comment below what do you think is the best pancake mix ever. And we're going to make pancakes, but not just pancake, but Oreo pancakes. Again, this is the best pancake mix, so comment below. Make sure that you watch the video all the way through. There might be some bonus clips, but this is the best pancake mix ever. And today we're going to do Oreo pancakes. Again, welcome, welcome, welcome. Again, this to me is the best pancake mix. It used to be, it's still Aunt Jemima to me. They changed the name, but it's still Aunt Jemima. Do you add milk or water to your pancakes? I'm going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream and a little bit of milk. So stay tuned. Alright, so here, I don't know if you can see, but here is the pancake mix. You can see, do you like your pancakes loose or thick? Now this is kind of thick because I did add the heavy whipping cream. But again, you do what you do and I'm going to do what I do. But I like mine's a little thick. And again, I use the best pancake mix ever, which is, this is Aunt Jemima. Again, what brand of pancake mix did you like? This already has it's just complete. You can add milk or water. I add milk and I got my butter over there going. So again, this is breakfast. And again, I like mine's a little thick. You can put yours loose. You can do whatever you want to do. But again, welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright, here we go. This is the first one. You see right here. Putting the batter in. And I'm going to spray it down. Spray it down so it don't stick. And I'm using Pam. Again, here we go. And I like my pancakes thick. I'm not making a lot of pancakes. I'm going to add the Oreos. I'm not doing a lot of pancakes today. Again, here we go. I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter. a little bit of butter. Oh, we're back. So you see that? You see like that golden brown? Yeah, I just want to make sure it doesn't stick. Yeah, here we go. There we go. See that? Again, add a little ham. Whatever you want to add, because so it won't, the goal is to make it not stick. But you can see those little golden brown edges on the side. Here's my mixture. Yeah. See that? The goal is to make it not stick. Now here is the final breakfast. Saturday morning breakfast. Tell me, what do you do on your Saturday mornings? But here is breakfast. You got pancakes, you got sausage, you got eggs. Now pair it with some orange juice. What do you pair your breakfast with? Let us know in the comments. What do you pair your breakfast with? How often do you cook breakfast? Here we go. We got eggs. Again, make sure you watch the video all the way through. Subscribe, comment below what's your favorite breakfast items. Let's eat. We're going to pray and we're going to eat. Eat, eat, eat.